Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 quarterly aptitude section. So the question that we'll be focusing on is question number 38 of the quant section. So let's take a look. The HCF of 2 to the power 99 minus 1 and 2 to the power 12 minus 1 is. So here what we have is that two numbers, 2 to the power 99 minus 1 and 2 to the power 12 minus 1. Okay, so we need to find the HCF of the same. So let me just give you a formula so that the things are so whenever we have a number, so HCF of a to the power n minus 1 by a into a to the power m minus 1, whenever we have something in this form, the HCF of the same is always given as a to the power HCF of m comma n minus 1. Okay, so this is what we have. So we'll use this particular formula in this question as well. So what we have here is that 2 to the power 99 minus 1 and 2 to the power 12 minus 1. So this can be written as a2 HCF of 99 comma 12 minus 1. So 99 can be written as 3 into 33. 12 can be written as 3 into 2 square. Only common element is 3. Okay, so this can be written as 2, 3 minus 1 or 8 minus 1 or 7. Okay, which is our answer. So I hope this is clear, this particular question. So with that said, we'll be signing out. So we'll continue discussion on the subsequent questions in the next videos. So thank you so much.